Okay guys, I bought my cake and that's the truth. This video is going to take about 2 minutes to end, and I'm going to try the best I can to make it interesting and engaging enough for everyone to enjoy it. Can we do this together? First off, this is a lilac toned whipped cream cake that had dark drips as requested by the client. I rarely use fresh fruits on my cakes for those that I've noticed, but this client was specific enough because it was for an adult, but I mean, I needed to switch things up a bit with the chocolate, and she loved it. Next up is this yellow number that was also a cake that was supposed to be executed with my discretion. Fun fact is the fact that most of the cakes I execute, about 99 or let's just say 98% of my cake orders are always designed from my brain. Like a lot of my clients just let me do my thing. They don't even want to stress their head. They believe that Fimiesdessertsville is going to come through. Now, this picture on this cake was crumpled by my daughter. Thank God I was able to catch her on time and I rescued my picture before she could tear it. Motherhood. Next up is this pink number. This was a 3-layered 8 inches cake. And what I found so beautiful about this design is how so sharp the edges were when I made it and how so smooth the sides were, as you can see. This is only as a result of stable whipped cream, which I have actually explained time and time again on my YouTube channel. You can do the best you can to watch it and learn how to get your whipped cream right. You're welcome, all right? Next up is this magnificent, I say it again, magnificent cake design that I executed under a 3-day notice. You know how corporate companies just come at the very last minute and expect you to execute 100%. This design was created for the business mogul Dr. Mike Adenoga for his 70th birthday.